I just wanna look more like love.
I'm Judy.
And I'm Jerry.
My spouse and my children, they all served in the military.
Service members, active duty, they're going to miss a lot of meals at home.
You try to keep on the same routine, even though there's a chair that's empty.
If they've got a favorite memory or something they can take with them, that's a comfort thing for them. Our daughter Autumn won a contest through Kroger and USO to write an essay in regards to one of her most favorite meals.
Everyone has something that reminds them of a place and time when they were happy, where they felt safe, where they felt at home. For me, it's a meal. My parents' fried pork chops, homemade mashed potatoes, fried cabbage, and fresh cornbread will always remind me of a simpler time. A time when my biggest issue was getting the biggest piece of cornbread. It's not the fanciest, but it is made with something they seem to always have the time and energy to give me: love.
So I just wanna look a little more
I'm so glad you're here.
like love.